So good evening all. Welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So welcome Manoj Reddy. Welcome Pavitra. Welcome Creative Telugu. Okay, right. So yesterday we have discussed up to 19 problems. Today we shall continue up to 20th to 30th problems. So that means mock test on JEE mains or EAMCET will be completed. And tomorrow onwards I will discuss mock test 2. So Anusha, welcome. Good evening all. Good evening all. So now let us write Sai Kumar. Okay. So question number 20. Question number 20. So let us write question number 20. The number of solutions of the equation secant square theta plus cosecant square theta equals to 8 in 0 comma pi in the interval 0 to pi is. Okay, this is the question. First option is no doubt. First option is 2. Second option is 1. Third option is 4. Fourth option is 8. Okay, you try yourself. Look at the screen, all of you. The number of solutions of the equation secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to 8 in the stipulated interval 0 comma pi. What is the answer? What is the answer? How many number of solutions? We need to find out. See, the number of solutions of the equation secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to 8 in the interval 0 comma 5. So that means these kind of problems will be solved so with the help of the graphs. So first we need to simplify secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to 8. Then draw the graph. With the help of the graph, then we are able to actually say the number of solutions does exist to the given equation in the stipulated interval. So very good. 4. Dhananjay. Very good, Dhananjay. 4. Okay. So very good, very good. So let us solve it now. See, first secant square theta plus cosecant square theta equals to 8. But we have secant square theta plus cosecant square theta equals to, very interesting factor, this can be written as product of these two, secant square theta into cosecant square theta. If you are interested, you can prove it. In the place of sec theta, 1 by cos theta you substitute. In the place of cosec theta, you substitute 1 by sin theta. You will get same thing itself only. So now we can write this is secant square theta into cosecant square theta equal to 8. This we can write 1 upon 1 by sin square theta, 1 by cos square theta. 1 upon sin square theta into cos square theta equals to 8. So cross multiplication, 8 sin square theta and cos square theta equals to, we can write 1. So now this can be written as like this, 2 times 4 sin square theta cos square theta equals to 1. So next we have 4 sin square theta cos square theta equals to 1 upon 2. So this can be written 2 sin theta cos theta whole square equals to 1 upon 2. So that implies 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So sin square 2 theta equals to 1 by 2. So that implies we get sin 2 theta equals to plus or minus 1 upon square root of this one, root 2. So that means, so Muralidhar, Amulya, Nandusagar, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Okay, sin 2 theta is equal to, that means actually you need to draw the graph of y is equal to sin 2 theta in the interval 0 to pi, and you need to draw y is equal to 1 by root 2 and y is equal to 1 upon root 2. The point of intersection of these two lines with this curve, you need to check the point of intersection. Okay, so now let us move to the, I will show the graph. This is the graph, you see, check here now. So this is y is equal to 1 upon root 2. So this will be y equals to minus 1 by root 2. See, this graph is y is equal to sin 2x. See, we need to check now here that actually this is 0, 0 to pi, you need to check. Here this is the pi, 0 to pi. So in between you see this intersect at this point and this point, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, number of solutions is equal to 4. What are the solutions? If you are asked for the solutions, very simple. Pi by 8. So this is pi by 8. 3 pi by 8. Theta is equal to 3 pi by 8. Next 5 pi by 8. And next 7 pi by 8. So these are the required solutions. So thus we can find out. Okay, that means first this is the graph of y is equal to sin 2x. We need to draw in between 0 to pi. 0 to pi means here to here only, here to here only, here to here. So now y is equal to 1 by root 2, it's parallel to the x-axis. Y is equal to minus 1 by root 2 parallel to x-axis. This cuts at 2 points. This also cuts at 2 points. Otherwise you see like this. Here, here, and here, here. So 4 solutions we have. Number of solutions is equal to 4. Good evening, good evening. So number of solutions is equal to 4. So third option is the right option. Good evening, good evening. Kanta Venugopal, you need to subscribe. Fine, Nandini. Okay, let us move to the 21st problem now. 21st problem. Let us move to 21st problem now. Yes, graph. Okay, 21st problem. All the chords of the curve of the curve 3x square minus y square minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0, which subtend a right angle at the origin at the origin pass through the point. Pass through the point. This is the question. So this is 430 Meghana Megha. So without graph also we can solve it. No problem. Ganta Venugopal, Ashira. So first option is 1, 2. Second option is -1, 2. Third option is 1, -2. Fourth option is -1, -2. See, check this question now. Actually, all the chords of the curve 3x square minus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0, which subtend a right angle at the origin, pass through the point. Yes, it is for JEE mains. Okay, now the 21st solution. For example, rough diagram, axis, you draw it. This is OX and OY. For example, this is the curve. This curve is actually intersected by the line. It's a chord of the curve. Join the origin O, this point of intersection. So this OA OB subtends 90 degrees here, right angle. Then this line always passes through the point we need to find out. So that means first of all, curve radon. Equation of the curve is what? 3x square minus y square minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0. This is the equation of the curve. Let the equation of the chord be ax plus by equals to 1. Say equation 2. So now this equation 2 cut the curve at 2 points AB. A comma B are joined to the origin. Now this OA OB represent pair of straight lines. The angle between them is 90 degrees. Now we need to find out combined equation of OA OB. In order to find out combined equation of OA and OB, the curve should be homogenized with the help of the line. So that means homogenizing equation 1 with the help of equation 2 to get combined equation of OA and OB. Daily same time. So now this can be written like this: 3x square minus y square. Already second degree homogenized. This part need to be homogenized. Take minus common. You have 2x minus 4y multiplied with 1. Instead of 1, this value write down. Ax plus by equals to 0. So now actually this OA is perpendicular to OB. This OA OB represents perpendicular lines. That means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square should be equal to 0. So now the coefficient of x square added. Coefficient of x square means 3 here minus 2a. So coefficient of y square minus 1. Next minus into minus plus 4b equal to 0. So now you get like this now. Minus 2a plus 4b 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 2. Divide by minus 2. So we get a minus 2b equals to 1. Say this is equation 3. Now compare 2 and 3. That means second equation passes through. In the place of x you get 1. In the place of y you get minus 2. So that means if you put x is equal to 1 here, you get a. In the place of y you get minus 2, you get a minus 2b is equal to 1. That means 2 passes through second equation. Equation 2 passes through 1 comma minus 2. This is the answer, 1 comma minus 2. So that's why third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Satvik Reddy, good evening. Jannavi, Varun. Second question. 22nd question. 22nd. Question number 22. Nandusagar, actually you need to subscribe. I will check the subscribe and like also. If a circle passes through the point A comma B and cuts the circle x square plus y square is equal to k square orthogonally, then the locus of its center is first option 2ax minus 2by equal to a square plus b square plus k square. Second option. Okay, thank you, Nandu. Second option 2ax plus 2by equals to a square plus b square plus k square. Third option 2ax plus 2by equals to a square plus b square minus k square. Option 4 2ax minus 2by equals to a square plus b square minus k square. So all of you look at the screen. First of all, read the question very carefully, what is given and what we need to find out. So that's very important, that the actually problem solving strategy. So we need to what is given and what need to be evaluated. See, a circle passes through the fixed point a comma b and cut the circle x square plus y square is equal to k square orthogonally. That means angle between these two circles is 90 degrees. Then locus of its center, locus of this center we need to find out. So that means first of all, let us say the equation of this circle is, we do not know. The general form of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, write down. So that passes through a comma b, substitute a comma b point, say something, you will get some condition and that this circle cuts this circle orthogonally. Orthogonally condition need to apply. Next, locus of its center. Locus of its center means that is minus g comma f. Locus of minus g comma minus f we need to find out. Okay, so let us implement our plan now. Let us implement our plan. So 22nd solution. Let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Say equation 1. Actually center is equal to center of this circle, obviously minus g comma minus f. This locus we need to find out. You remember this one. So Madhavi, right, next, since one passes through a comma b, so that implies we get this one now. Substitute x for a square plus b square plus 2ag plus 2fb plus c equals to 0. Okay, now given circle, given equation of the circle, x square plus y square minus k square equals to 0. Say equation 2. 1 and 2 cut orthogonally. So what is the condition for orthogonality? Yes, we know the condition for orthogonality is 2g dash plus 2f dash equal to c plus c dash. So here 2g means 2g only. G dash means here actually x coefficient is absent, 0, plus 2f is 2f only. F dash means in this one y coefficient absent 0. C means c, constant term is minus k square. Obviously you get 0 plus 0 equal to c minus k square. So c becomes k square. So substitute c here instead of here. So we get a square plus b square plus 2ag 2fb minus k square is equal to 0. Now locus of this minus g comma f we need to find out. That means instead of minus g x, instead of minus f y, g means minus x substitute, f means y substitute, then you will get the locus. Therefore we need to find out locus. Locus of minus g comma minus f is a square plus b square minus 2ax minus 2fy minus k square equals to 0. Take these two terms that side. So therefore we get 2ax plus 2fy equal to a square plus b square minus k square. So this is the answer. So my dear students, please go through the method. I think you might have understood this process method. Okay, shall I move to next problem? Are you there? So that means actually here this is the right option. Third one is the right option. Right. 23rd problem. 23rd problem. The position okay, thank you Meghana Somasekar Kallepelli Sai Venkat. The position of a point in time t is given by x equals to a plus bt minus ct square and y equals to at plus bt square. Its acceleration at time t is first option b minus c, second option b plus c, third option 2b minus c, 2c, sorry, fourth option 2 root of b square plus c square. 2 root of b square plus c square. Okay, Jannavi, Meghana, Satvik Reddy, Madhurima is there today? I think she is not there. The position of a point time t, that means x component, this is x is equal to a plus bt minus ct square and y component is at plus bt square. The position of a point is given in the both the directions, x component as well as along x-axis, along y-axis, x component, y component given. Then acceleration at a time t we need to find out. So that means actually, right. So now let us do like this. So what is the plan of action means? First, acceleration along the x-axis we need to find out. Acceleration along the y-axis we need to find out. Next, resultant we need to find out. The resultant is the acceleration at a time t we can find out. So that means what is given actually here? X equals to a plus bt minus ct square. First, velocity is equal to dx by dt. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Okay. Sai Charan Reddy. Okay, dx by dt. A is 0, bt is b minus 2ct. Next, acceleration is dv by dt. So that equals to dv by dt equals to how much you will be getting? 0 minus 2c. So minus 2c. Say this is ax, you say component along x-axis, minus 2c. So now y is given by displacement along y-axis, at plus bt square. Now the velocity is dy by dt, that is t differentiation 1, at differentiation a, t square 2t, 2bt. Next, you can say ay, this is acceleration along y-axis, dv by dt, this is equal to 0 plus 2b. So that means ay equals to 2b. Now the acceleration we need to find out. So that means actually like this. This is ax and ay. So we need to find out resultant. We need to find out. So resultant means say a is under root of x component acceleration square, y component ay square. So that equals to root of minus 2c square, 4c square, 2b square, 4c square. 4 common, square root of 4 is 2. So 2 root of b square plus c square. This is the answer. This is the answer. Right. So fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Are you there? Are you there? Are you able to understand this question? I hope you might have understood this question. Sri Charan, Sai Charan Reddy, what did you write it now? Just, are you there, Sai Charan? Okay, shall I discuss one more problem? Shall I discuss one more problem? Yes, option 4 is the right option. Meghana. Good. See, Viresh, this is actually along x-axis displacement. This is along y-axis displacement. So that means acceleration along x-axis is minus 2c. This is minus 2c. Along y-axis 2b. So resultant we need to find out. Resultant means actually this you get like this. This will be the minus 2c. This will be 2b. This is the resultant we need to find out. Applying Pythagoras theorem, you get ax square plus ay square under root 4c square plus 4b square. Take 4 common. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 root of b square plus c square. Next, 24th question. 24th question. If d by dx of a function f of x, the derivative of f of x with respect to x is 4x cube minus 3 upon x to the power of 4, such that f of 2 equals to 0, f of 2 is equal to 0, then f of x equals to, this is the question. This is the question. So welcome, Viresh. First option, x to the power of 4 plus 1 upon x cube minus 129 upon 8. Second option, x cube plus 1 upon x to the power of 4 plus 129 upon 8. Third option, x to the power of 4 plus 1 upon x cube plus 129 . This is 128 by 9. Fourth option is x cube plus 1 upon x to the power of 4 minus 129 upon 8. So Mr. Perfect, welcome. Generally, see, what will you do means, you find the derivative. If you find the derivative, actually first option, second option, third option, fourth option will be, you will be getting 4x cube minus 3x to the power of 4. Because x to the power of 4 derivative is 4x cube, 1 by x cube derivative is minus 3 by x to the power of 4. This derivative is constant 0. First option, second option, third option, fourth option will be satisfied. So that's why a verification of options method actually is not entertained in this case. So that's why we need to integrate itself only. So let us solve it. Here what is given? Derivative of f of x given. So first we need to find out the antiderivative. After that, yes, first option might be correct. Let us see. And then you need to substitute 2, you get the constant of integration. After getting constant of integration, we need to substitute the c value, constant of integration. Then you will get the required solution. See now the 24th solution. See, you can write like this: d of f of x equals to 4x cube dx minus 3 upon x to the power of 4 dx, integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Apply integration on both sides. So we get like this: integral of d of f of x equals to 4 times integral of x cube dx and plus integral of 3 minus 3 upon x to the power of 4 dx. I will tell you, see, d by dx of 1 upon x cube is minus 3 upon x to the power of 4. So minus 3 upon x to the power of 4 integral will be 1 by x cube. So now we can write now this equals to integral of d f of x, it becomes function f of x 4 times x to the power of 4 by 4 plus this will be 1 by x cube plus constant of integration, say equation 1 this is. But what is given actually here? Put x is equal to 2 on both sides. You get f of 2 equals to 2 to the power of 4 is 16 plus 1 upon 2 cube is 8 plus c. This is given that 0. So now the c value equals to minus 16 minus 1 upon 8. This will be minus 128 minus 1, minus 129 by 8. Substitute here. Therefore, function is given by, red color you observe, x to the power of 4 plus 1 upon x cube. Constant of integration is nothing but, for the given subject to the condition, Spandana, good evening, minus 129 upon 8. So this is the answer. X to the power of 4, x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 129 by 8. So you check now, what do you get? Yes. So that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Viresh, absolutely correct you are. So question number 25. Question number 25. Are you ready? Good evening, electronics for you. How are you? How are you? After a long time. After a long time. 25th problem. If integral 0 to 1, the electronics for you is actually one of the good channel. He is doing wonderful job. So my dear children, actually you can subscribe that channel, electronics for you. So you will be getting more innovative ideas from the innovative ideas of electronics hobby. If you are interested in electronics hobby, very actually 2 minutes, 3 minutes or 5 minutes videos are there. You watch that channel. That channel is very good channel, electronics for you. So that will be very 11th grade child, I think so. He is actually doing a wonderful job through that channel. So you may subscribe to that channel too, all of you. So that will be even for in engineering also. If you go through the engineering, electronics communication engineering, that will be for project work. Those items are very important. Okay, right? Subscribe to that electronics for you channel. If sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, So now you can forward your link electronics for you, so that our viewers also may join in our channel. Integral 0 to 1 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square dx equals to k minus log L to the base e. Then the value of L times oh, very good, L times tan of k by 2 is first option 1, second option 2, third option is 0, fourth option is minus 2. Okay, just observe this question. If integral 0 to 1 sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square dx equal to k minus log L to the base e, then the value of L multiplied by tan of k by 2 we need to find out. Okay, thank you Muralidhar, thank you. Right, so here first we need to find out L value and k value, substituting here with the help of this definite integral value. So first we need to evaluate this value. So how to find out? Actually, see the from inverse trigonometric function, sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. So instead of sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, you need to substitute 2 tan inverse x. Next we should know the actually integral of tan inverse x. So integral of tan inverse x is, you can follow using product rule. Tan inverse x dx is equal to first function tan inverse x, second function x. First function tan inverse x, integral of dx is x, minus integral of derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is x dx. So this we can write x tan inverse x. This multiply with 2, divide by 2. 1 by 2 times 2x by 1 plus x square dx. See, this 2x is the derivative of 1 plus x square. F dash x by f of x. Log 1 plus x square we can write. So this equals to x tan inverse x minus half log mod of 1 plus x square. So now apply the limit. So we have here, see, so we have k minus log L to the base e equals to x tan inverse x limits 0 to 1 minus half log of 1 plus x square limits between 0 to 1. So let us substitute the limit. Okay, Muralidhar, take it granted. So this equal to, first substitute 1 into tan inverse 1, that will be pi by 4, minus 0 you will be getting, and minus half times you get log 2, and next here you will be getting, see, minus log 1 is 0. This is pi by 4 minus of 1 by 2 log 2, but this will be 2 multiplied by, because 2 tan inverse x, 2 multiplied by, this equal to pi by 2 minus log 2. So now we need to compare this one with this one. So here it's clear that k value is pi by 2, L value is 2. So now we need to find out L times tan k by 2. L is 2 times tan k stands for pi by 2 by 2 pi by 4 tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 is tan 45. 2 times 1, answer is 2. This is the answer. So you might be observed, Nana, actually these type of questions are asking in even EAMCET examination too. Either it may be Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, even JEE mains also. These type of questions, twisting questions will be given in the examination. So please take care of all these questions. So second option is the right option. Second option is the right option, because you see sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x. We evaluated the integral of tan inverse x only. So we need to multiply with 2. Yes, Spandana. Meghana, you are also correct. 26th. If A bar, comma B bar, comma C bar are unit vectors, such that A bar minus root 3 B bar plus C bar equals to 0, then the angle between the vectors, A bar and C bar is, this is the question. So all of you look at the screen first of all, go through the question, read the question very carefully and make a plan yourself. First option pi upon 4, second option pi upon 3, third option is pi upon 6, fourth option pi upon 2. Oh, option 2, very good. How did you get it, Meghana? Very good. Spandana, you are also correct. As quick as possible. Okay, what is the plan means? Now A bar plus C bar is equal to root 3 B bar, you can write squaring on both sides. Then substitute mod A, mod B, mod C is equal to 1, and so that you will get the angle between A bar comma C bar, that will be the dot product you will be getting, so that we can find out. Okay, see now this can be written like this. Here given mod A, mod B, mod C equals to 1, because they are being unit vectors. So as for this condition, we can write root 3 B bar equals to A bar plus C bar. Squaring on both sides. If you squaring on both sides, what do you get now here? This will be 3 mod B whole square. A bar plus C bar whole square is mod A whole square plus mod C whole square plus 2 A bar dot C bar. So this can be written mod B is equal to 1, mod A is equal to 1, mod C is equal to 1. 3 equals to 1 plus 1 plus this we can write 2 mod A mod C cos theta, angle between A bar comma B bar. So this can be rewritten as Mod A mod C is 1. So 2 cos theta equals to, this is 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So cos theta equals to 1 by 2. This we can write cos 60 degrees. Cos pi by 3. So that means theta equals to pi by 3. So second option is the right option. Option 2. Okay, you check the solution now, all of you. So that now the 27th question. The statement P implies of Q implies P is equivalent to, first option P implies Q, second one is P implies PRQ, third option is P implies of P implies Q, fourth option P implies P and Q. So the statement P implies Q implies P equivalent to. Equivalent means they must be equivalent statements. When do you say the equivalent statements? If they have the same truth values. If they have the same truth value. Okay. Solution, let us do like this. Let us consider the truth value of P be true, truth value of Q say false. Now first Q implies P find out. Truth value of Q implies P. That is truth T implies F. T implies F is false itself only. You will be getting this is false. So this is false. This is false. So therefore now the statement P implies of Q implies P is, you can say that now according to this, P is true, true implies false, is false only, is false. So this is false. So now sorry, 1 minute, I did mistake. Right. Q implies P means false implies true. False implies true is true only. And this is actually, see, P is true, Q implies P is true. This is true. So the truth value of this one is true. So you check first option, second option, third option, fourth option, which is true, that is the equivalent one. So let us check it now. First one, true implies false, equal to false. So first option has been eliminated. Second, P is true implies PRQ. PRQ means true or false. True or false is true. This will be true. So second option is the correct option. The equivalent statement is second one, not option 3. Because I will tell you option 3. You see, option 3, what happens means, this is true implies, true cannot imply, the truth statement cannot imply the false statement. This false only. True statement cannot imply the false statement. It is false. So It is incorrect. So fourth one, P is T, truth value. Here true and false is false only. A truth statement cannot imply the false statement. It's false. So it is incorrect. So that's why only the second option is the right option. It is eliminated. So by eliminating process, we need to solve these questions. Okay, 28th question. The mean of a data, the mean of a data or data set consisting of 20 observations 20 observations is 40 if one observation 53 was wrongly recorded as 33, then the correct mean is first option 41, second option is 49, third option 40.5, fourth option is 42.5. So the mean of the data set of 20 observations is 40. But one observation 53 was wrongly recorded. Actually, instead of 53, 33 recorded. It's the wrong value. Then the correct mean we need to find out. Correct mean. Okay. Here see, I will give the shortcut now for this one. We have the shortcut. Correct mean equals to wrong mean, because it's wrong mean. 40 is wrong mean, plus correct item or observation minus wrongly taken item, wrong item, upon number of observations. Substitute, you will get the answer. Number of observations. Substitute, you will get the answer. See, this is the wrong mean. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is correct. So wrong mean is equal to 40 plus correct item is 53 minus wrong item 33 upon number of observations is n. This is 20. So we get 40 plus 20 upon 20. So 40 plus 1 equal to 41. Correct mean is 41. Kottapelli Sai Vamshi, check your options now. Option 1, first option is the right option. So now the 29th question. 29th. let Q be the foot of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane 4x minus 3y plus z plus 13 equals to 0, and capital R be a point minus 1 comma minus 6 on the plane. Then the length of QR is, first option root over 14, second option root over 19 by 2, third option 3 times root of 7 by 2, not cubed root, 3 times. Fourth option is 3 upon root 2. This is the question. So all of you look at the screen, go through the question carefully, read the question carefully. If you are able to understand the concept, then easily we can do it. So this problem can be done in 2 steps. First, foot of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane we need to find out with the help of the formula. After the distance from that point to the foot of the perpendicular Q to R, distance between the distance formula we need to apply. First foot of the perpendicular formula, next we need to apply the distance formula. This problem is related to the plane chapter. Okay, let us solve it now. See, the Q is the foot of the perpendicular from origin to the plane 4x minus 3y plus z plus 13 is equal to 0, and R is the point. The coordinates of R is minus 1, 1 comma minus 6 on the same plane. Distance between Q point and R point we need to find out. Okay, so first let us find out this is 29th solution. Let Q x2 comma y2 z2 be the foot of the perpendicular of origin O0 comma 0 comma 0 on 4x minus 3y plus z plus 13 equals to 0. So we have the formula. Just like straight lines, in plane also foot of the perpendicular we have the formula. What is the formula? x2 minus x1 upon a means x coefficient, y2 minus y1 by b equals to z2 minus z1 by c equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula to find out foot of the perpendicular on the plane. So x2 minus, this is x1 comma y1 comma z1. x2 minus 0 x2 upon 4, y2 minus 0 y2 upon y coefficient minus 3, z2 upon 1 equal to, substituting in this one 0 comma 0, substituting x for 0, y for 0, z for 13, you will be getting negative minus 13 upon a square. A square is 16 plus minus 3 square 9, 1 square 1. This is minus 13 upon 26 minus 1 by 2. Now you can find out x2 comma y2 comma z2, which is q, equal to 4 upon minus 2 minus 3 by minus 3 into minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. This will be minus 1 by 2. Now the distance r point, what is the r point given on the plane? Minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 6. Distance between q point and r point you find out. Distance between q point and r point is distance we need to find out. qr equals to minus x2 minus x1, minus 1 plus 2, 1 square plus say qr square, no problem. 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. This will be directly I am writing 1, no problem. Minus 6 plus 1 by 2. This will be minus 11 by 2, 121 by 4. So 4 LCM, 4 plus 1 plus 121. This will be, okay, 126 by 4. 2 2 ja, 263 ja. Now the QR is equal to square root of 63 by 2. This will be square root of 9 7 ja upon 2. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 times square root of 7 upon 2. This is the answer. Third option is the right option. So last problem of the mock test 1. Tomorrow we shall move to the mock test 2. So 30th problem. A comma B comma C try to hit a target simultaneously yes Spandana, but independently their respective probabilities of hitting the targets are 3 upon 4 comma 1 upon 2 5 upon 8. The probability that the target is hit by A or B but not C is 21 upon 64 7 upon 8. Third one, 7 upon 32. Fourth, 9 upon 64. 9 upon 64. A, B, C try to hit a target simultaneously but independently. Their respective probabilities hitting the targets 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 5 by 8. The probability that the target is hit by A or B but not C. But not C. But not C. Solution. So now P of A equals to 3 upon 4. P of B, let us say the probability of hitting the target by A, P of A, P of B 1 upon 2. P of C equals to 5 upon 8. So what we need to find out now, actually P of A or B not C. Symbolically we write it as P of A union B intersection C bar. So since A comma B comma C are independent, A comma B comma C are independent, C bar also independent, A union B also independent. This can be written P of A union B into P of C bar. You can write P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B, addition theorem, probability addition theorem, minus P of A intersection B. P of C bar can be written 1 minus P of C. So since A comma B comma C are independent, P of A intersection B can be written as P of A into P of B. So this we can write P of A plus P of B minus P of A into P of B into 1 minus P of C. Let us substitute the respective probabilities. P of A 3 by 4, P of B 1 upon 2, P of C 5 by 8. So 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. Am I correct? So 1 minus 5 by 8. So only simplification part. You can do yourself also. So now here LCM is actually 8. 4 2 ja 6, 2 4 ja minus 3 multiplied by 8 minus 5, 3 by 8. This is equal to 7 by 8 into 3 by 8. 7 3 ja 21, 8 8 ja 64. 21 upon 64 is the answer. 21 upon 64. First option is the right option. First option is the right option. See 21 by 64. So this is the 30th problem solution. Thank you. So we have successfully completed the first mock test 1. So tomorrow we shall continue in the mock test 2 in the same hours. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.